software. What software? It is a set of instruction. What is that? Set of instruction means set of command. Set of commands. And what is the purpose? To make the hardware useful and operational. Which type of operational? To complete the desired task. Whatever user has demanded to the system, so that one computer task is that one you should fulfill. Okay, so how computer will work? Through the operational only. Okay, so that is why it is also called human computer interaction. What is that? Human computer interaction means it is interface between user and hardware. Which one? Software. It is an interface. Interface means mediator between user and hardware. Okay, so that's why it is called human computer interaction also. See, if you have a hardware devices, I already taught in the another video, that is hardware. Okay, so that one you just kindly check that what is hardware. When you have a device, any physical device you have, and then you don't have any software, can you use it? No, you can't use it. Just like keyboard you have. Keyboard you have, but no connection, no software is there. So can you use this keyboard? No. If you will press it, nothing will happen. Right? So that is why what is the task of software? To make the hardware components useful and operational. Useful, how it will be useful? Whenever it will complete the desired task. Whose desired task? User desired task. So see the example, that is the MS Word, MS Paint, both are the examples of software. So in the MS Word, you are writing the data in the text form. So through which device you are writing? Through the hardware device only. That means keyboard. Okay. Sometimes you use mouse also. If you want to print this data, then what you need? Printer. Right? Here, if you want to draw, so here pen is there, pen, pencil, eraser, everything is there. So through the mouse you can select it, and then afterwards you can draw it. So whenever software we will use it, that times we need the hardware also. So this is the software.